Welcome to the Motorvation Car Club, where we're pleased to present this 1.2 litre Vauxhall Corsa Active. This is a very rare, fully automatic gearshift transmission vehicle which has been owned by two previous owners. The bodywork is presented in blue metallic and has been two-stage polished as part of our preparation works at Motorvation. This Corsa has received a full health check and service ahead of sale, and the four 17-inch alloys have all been fully refurbished in gloss black. Internally, the vehicle is in fantastic condition. The seats come in a very durable half grey leather. There's ample room in the rear of the vehicle, which also comes with ISOFIX car seat connectivity. Again, the vehicle comes with a rare automatic transmission, which is functional and very easy to use. The vehicle is approaching 42,500 miles on the clock and comes with an extensive service history and a list of receipts. This Corsa comes with Bluetooth connectivity, along with air conditioning and heated windscreen. A key specification feature of this vehicle is the sliding sunroof. Overall, this is an exceptional vehicle. Very rare automatic alongside a full service history. We at Motorvation also provide a 12-month warranty with this vehicle, so please don't hesitate to get in touch.